we will find another indefinite integral or antiderivative. Don't be alarmed by the appearance. Let's simplify this quotient and then we'll integrate. So that's the same as 32x cubed divided by 4x to the 6th negative 16x squared divided by 4x to the 6th and 28x divided by 4x to the 6th. So we want to know what is 32 divided by 4. Okay. And where have you got more x's? At the bottom. How many more? What is negative 16 divided by 4? Where have you got more x's? At the bottom. How many? What is 28 divided by 4? And where do you have more x's? How many? Okay. So when we do simplify, we find that we've got 8 divided by x cubed minus 4 divided by x to the 4th and 7 divided by x to the 5th. Well, we're still working on getting ready to integrate. Let's move those bases to the numerator. That's 8x to the negative 3 minus 4x to the negative 4. Add to that 7x to the negative 5. We'll integrate in the direction of x. When we do, we're just using our power rule. We're going to add 1 to this power, and whatever that is, we're going to divide by that number. Okay, well that number, of course, is negative 2. Add 1 to this power, negative 4 plus 1, divide by that same number, meaning we're dividing by negative 3. Add 1 to the next power, that's negative 5 plus 1, divide by that same number. Of course, we'll add the constant of integration. Let's simplify. Okay, that's 8x to the negative 2 divided by negative 2 minus 4x to the negative 3 divided by negative 3 plus 7x to the negative 4 divided by negative 4. Continuing to simplify, that's negative 4x to the negative 2, double negative makes a positive 4/3, x to the negative 3, and negative 7/4, x to the negative 4. We have a habit of writing our bases with positive exponents, so I could move those bases back. Call this negative 4 over x squared plus 4 over 3x cubed. Take away 7 over 4x to the 4th and the constant of integration. That's it.